Hello friends, today I'm going to give you a session on rounding off account or payment difference account. See how this payment difference will determine automatically that you will be seeing here. This will be the common scenario where you will come across in your day-to-day transactions. Suppose you are going to send an invoice for your customer for 881 rupees, but the customer will pay the amount of 880 rupees. That 1 rupee needs to be adjusted to round off account. In the similar way, you can do the transaction for revenue rounding off also. This is what I told you, given example is the expenses rounding off. Let us see how we need to do this. First and the foremost, we will create a rounding off account by going to FS00. We will treat this rounding off account as an expenses account. So what I'll do, I'll copy this. So 4 lakh 8. Now I'll just change this to round off account, or you can give any description you want. You can give payment difference account also. Then I'll go to control data, just check, I'll verify all those things, create bank interest G001, then I'll click on save. Next we will see we have created the general ledger account. Now we will create the reason code OBBE /n OBBE. You have to enter your company code, then click on new entries. See here you have to enter the short description. You can say payment difference rounding off. Rounding off account. Then you should come little right hand side. This should be charged to separate GL account. C means separate GL account, it needs to be charged. So I'll click on the help, you will come to know what exactly it is. C means this indicator charge of difference via separate account. That's what it means. When you are exploring, please explore what is D and A and all. Click on save. This is got saved. We will see what is next step. So next step is OBXL. We need to define the payment difference account. So we'll come to OBXL. So enter the chart of accounts. Don't give anything here, reason code, and please select the round off account here. See, debit means expenses, credit means revenue. So we will debit and credit both the things to the same account. In case you want upward rounding off also you can do, downward rounding off also you can do separately, and you can assign separate accounts, but in my case I'm assigning same GL account. This has been done. Yes, the configuration part is completed. Let us see. We will post one invoice F-22. So enter the date. Okay, 01. Then select your customer. So I'll do one thing. I'll take 791 rupees. Okay, then I'll select 50. Select the revenue account. Start here. Document. Simulate. So click on save. Now we will enter the incoming payment. Now we can give the date. So give the bank account. We will see whether the bank account is there or not. It's not there. We'll do one thing. We can create. I'll open a new session. Go to OBT. First I'll check the accounting group. So bank account starts from 200, 100. Create an account. 100, 100. 200, 100 already there. Sorry. 200, 100 already there. I'll copy this. Okay. Now I'll give bank account. All these parameters you have to enter. Click on save. Just press enter. Now go to post incoming payment. Again press F4. Then select the bank account. In this case, the customer pays 790 rupees. See, he is supposed to pay 791, but he will pay 790 only. So enter the value date. Now select. Here it is not showing the customer. What do you have to do? You have to select account type D, press F4 here. Now this customer is shown. Then click on process open item. Wait for some time. Please note, I'll be providing you a session on production support tickets in coming days. Please do visit and watch those sessions. It will be really helpful for you in case you are working on production support side. Double click on that. Okay, so now it will become 790. Now document, simulate. You are getting the difference is too large. So now let us try in. This is okay. 790 has come. This is okay. Now charge of differences. Now let us see, go back. Try in slash in OBA3. On position. So 2104. We'll just check in this. Payment permitted definitely automatic roundoff. We will see give amount revenue is 5 rupees. Expenses also 5 rupees. Percentage 1%. Here also 1%. So click on save. Okay. Now we will try once again. So F506. So select the bank account 790, enter the value date, make it is D, so process open item. So 1 rupee is not assigned, so just double click on this. Okay. Now residual, let us see now, document simulate, still showing difference is too large. Just a minute, we'll see. You don't have to do anything here, so leave it, open it. Okay, now click on document, simulate. See, round off account is automatically charged as debit. So this how you can able to configure the round off accounts. Thank you for listening and viewing my demo.